Rug cleaning and repair. Expert tips for restoration and maintenance. Introduction. Maintaining the elegance and durability of your cherished rugs necessitates both routine care and timely repair interventions. Rug cleaning and repair are indispensable practices for preserving the integrity and longevity of these valued possessions. We, as experts in the field, understand the importance of comprehensive care to restore rugs to their original splendor and extend their lifespan. Understanding rug cleaning. Effective rug cleaning isn't merely about eliminating surface dirt. It involves a meticulous process that delves deep into the fibers to eradicate ingrained dust, allergens, and stains. Professional cleaning techniques encompass various methods tailored to different materials and weave types. From traditional hand washing to modern steam cleaning, each approach is customized to ensure thorough yet gentle cleansing without compromising the rug's structural integrity. Importance of regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is the cornerstone of preserving rugs. Vacuuming on a schedule, typically weekly or bi-weekly depending on foot traffic, prevents dirt from embedding deep within the fibers. Additionally, promptly attending to spills and stains can prevent them from becoming permanent blemishes, simplifying the cleaning process and minimizing damage. Repairing rug imperfections. Rug repair is a meticulous craft requiring skill and precision. Repairing rugs involves addressing issues such as fraying edges, unraveling seams, moth damage, or restoring faded colors. Experienced artisans employ various techniques like reweaving, patching, or securing edges to seamlessly mend imperfections, restoring the rug's aesthetics and structural integrity. Professional restoration services. Proficient rug restoration demands an understanding of historical significance and craftsmanship. Reputable restoration experts meticulously analyze the rug's condition, employing age-old techniques to restore intricate designs and colors, ensuring authenticity while preserving its value. Tips for rug care. While professional intervention is often essential, there are several DIY rug care practices to maintain rugs between professional cleanings. Regularly rotating rugs minimizes uneven wear, while gentle blotting with mild solutions tackles immediate spills. However, it's crucial to avoid harsh chemicals or vigorous scrubbing, which can exacerbate damage. Preserving antique rugs. Antique rugs necessitate specialized care due to their delicate nature. Proper maintenance involves avoiding direct sunlight exposure, regulating humidity levels, and periodic inspections for signs of deterioration. Consulting experts for antique rug preservation ensures these valuable pieces retain their allure for generations to come. Conclusion. In essence, rug cleaning and repair are not mere tasks. They embody a commitment to preserving the beauty and heritage woven into each rug. Professional care and timely interventions play pivotal roles in extending the lifespan of these cherished possessions. Maintaining rugs involves a blend of regular maintenance and occasional professional expertise. By understanding the nuances of different materials, employing specialized cleaning and repair techniques, and valuing the historical significance of antique rugs, we ensure these treasures endure the test of time.